Hi all, I am Venkat, and in this video I am going to show you how to generate the list of sheet names in an Excel file. In the current Excel file which you are seeing, we are having almost 10 plus worksheets, and I am going to generate the name of the sheets over to here. I am not going to use any macro for this. I am going to use a normal formula method. So before going ahead, let me explain to you what this formula is all about. This is nothing but a replace command. In that replace command, the old text is going to be get.workbook1. What it is going to generate inside is a big string containing the file name and the sheet name. The starting number is 1. The ending number, to be more specific, the number of characters it is going to replace is the place where the square bracket is going to end. What is going to happen is that after that square bracket there is the sheet name. So this is the formula which I am going to use. First I am going to click on this. I will copy this. I will hit an escape. I will click on some other side. I will go to the name manager. I will click on here, and first of all I will name it as sheets. Completely remove it and hit a Ctrl V. Click OK. Just there it is, the formula completely, and I am hitting on close. Now come here, use the index formula, sheets, there it is, that's the name which we have given, comma, and this is going to be this, there it is. Now hit Ctrl C and do it down completely below, Ctrl V. So you notice that after 17 it is giving an error, so that means this file is having 16 sheets. That's it. Thank you.